Por detrás, por detrás.
So I need a circle. It was a bunny circle. That's tasty.
Oh my God.
Hey, just later, let's get him! What's the problem, official? I got you littering back there. I'm gonna have to write you a ticket for littering. Aw, man. A circle has changed your mind. A sucker. Thanks. Sucker has changed your mind. Sucker. Thanks for the sucker button. Now, here's oh man, I'm not going to take What? He's not running on the sidewalk and he doesn't have a helmet. Stop, pull over. Stop, pull over. Stop, pull over. Oh, you again. You don't have the helmet and you're not on the sidewalk. You got 2 tickets. Are you serious? Kids always have to ride on the sidewalk and have helmets. Have a nice day. You're not having a nice day. Hey, so you're in my truck? That's what I'm talking about.
It's hurting my ears. Yeah, there's a monster truck here, and he's got super loud pipes. Yeah, I can't even hear myself think.
Ugh. What is that?
Pikachu? Do you want that song?
Palmas arriba, palmas arriba.
Turn it down, you're giving me a headache.
What are you?
Palmas arriba.
What are you? And more.
Por detrás, por detrás.
Stop!
Okay, I'm going by.
Hello, yes, officer? Please come and get this guy. He won't stop playing his loud music.
That's our guy.
That's our guy. You again. Yes, it's me again. I get tired of pulling you over. You, me? Yes, you're disturbing the peace. Because he threw all of his tickets, I'm gonna email his tickets. I'm hungry. I want a donut.
Hi, sir.
Woohoo! Hi. I want a dozen donuts, please. There's the man who gave me all the tickets. I'm going to get him back. I'm going to walk when he's out of his car. Don't ever get me out here.
Sir, is that your police car?
Huh? What?
That man's throwing water balloons at your car.
Oh no! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I gotta go.
the day I was born, all the nurses gathered around, just gazing in wide wonder.
What time is it?
And the joy they have found.
Jam time.
The head nurse spoke up, said, leave this one alone. You can tell right away.
Let's go again. Do it. What? I want to deal with Rushmore stuff, dudes. Hey guys, let's smash the toilet paper! I put Orbeez in this bottle. Let's mash them. Let's mash the bottle. Let's open it. Let's see what happens. All right, let's run over some toads. Oh no! Hey everybody! Now let's get some soup. Mommy's not going like this. What time is it? It's time to mash them! Hey everybody, let's smash Mommy's pot. Mom's not going away with that. Evil! Yeah, I took this from Mommy's bathroom and we're gonna smush it. Oh, you're gonna be a big trouble, master! What time is it? It's time for smash time. This smells good out here. Mommy's is having a birthday and I snuck and stole them and we're gonna smash them. Mommy's not going like that! What time is it? It's time. I totally missed. That didn't work. Whoa. Whoa. What time is it? It's time to smash time. Let's go. Oh, my geez.
Ready, set, go.
Thanks for watching our video. Bye.
Boys!
catch your partner. Get back here! Here it comes! Stop, you're going to jail. Ooh, a donut. Hey, come back here!
All out of milk. Hello, is this the Braxton and Ryder store? Yes, I need some more milk. Can you deliver it now?
Oh, you need some milk? Okay. Okay, we'll have it right over.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Ryder, come in. Ryder! 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 What? What? Okay, I'm on it. It's not starting. What's that? Oh yeah! Lunch time, babies! You see that, dudes? Just missed that tree. Where's my scientist smash? Let's smash this because there's something in here. Oh yeah, let's smash it. Here's a milk, ma'am.
Thank you. What? You damaged my milk! Hey, you come back here! Is this the Braxton and Ryder store?
Thanks for calling Braxton and Ryder store.
Yes, I need to order some bug spray now. Fast, hurry.
Okay, any bug spray? Okay, I'll be right over. Ryder! Ryder, wake up! What? Okay. Why not? Sounds like the real bugs in here. Yes.
Why is it making noise? Live insect!
Hey honey, I'm going on important business. If you need anything, you can use my credit card.
Ooh, his credit card. Braxton and Ryder store?
Thank you for calling the Braxton and Ryder store.
Yes, I need to order 3 purses, 5 shirts, and 10 pants. Oh, and 3 shoes.
Whoa. slow down.
All right.
Ryder! Ryder! And now the river. How am I get the big ones in my coach truck? Maybe make the big ones small ones like these. Smash these boxes, baby. The rivalry.
Hello?
Oh no!
What did you do to my clothes?
I delivered the man.
You need to pick all of that up.
Oh, sorry, I'm not going to do it.